How to set up seller account on Whatnot app. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Whatnot. Make sure that you are using the updated version. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, head over to Account at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now at the very top, you can see it says Interested in Selling. Now all you gotta do is tap on Get Started. Now simply read all of this guidance given to you in this page and then tap on this checkbox. Once done, tap on Got It. Now select which category you want to sell most often. Once the category has been selected, tap on Next. Now choose the subcategory that you want to sell most often and then tap on Next. Choose the option that describes you the best and then tap on Next once again. Now choose a specific option which will be appropriate to you. Let me select No, but I'm planning to get one. Once again, tap on Next at the bottom right corner of the screen. And there you go, you have been added to the wait list. Now you have to wait for a few days in order for them to approve your seller account. After that, you will be able to sell any of the items on Whatnot app. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.